How to add background in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page. This is where you'll arrange your clips and work with layers. Now, to add the background, you can either use a solid color or import an image or video as the background. If you want a solid color, go to the effects library, then choose generators. From there, drag the solid color onto your timeline and place it on a lower track, usually video track 1. Once it's in place, you can change the color by selecting it and using the inspector on the top right. Adjust the color to match your design background. If you are using an image or a video as the background, import it into your media pool, drag it onto video track 1 and place your main subject on a higher track, like video track 2. This way, the background will appear behind your subject. To refine the look, you can resize and reposition your subject using the transform controls in the inspector. This is especially helpful if you are using a green screen and want to composite your subject over the new background. Lastly, preview your video to make sure everything looks aligned and then export it when you are happy with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to add background to DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.